Moi! Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your digital exercises of Suomen mestari 1. Suomen mestari 1 is a very handy book that you can use for starting your Finnish journey, and it's suitable for complete beginners. It also has an online version, and today we'll focus on digitehtävät. Digital exercises. This is a digital exercise book license that is going to be valid for 1 year after the purchase. And if you are not familiar with this book series and if you don't have your license key yet, you can first check out how the exercise book looks like. You can find this link below in the description. And also I want to point out that this is not a paid video. I'm not getting any benefit of recommending this book, but I just honestly think that this is a very valuable resource for Finnish learners, and I have used this also with many Finnish learners. I'm going to show you quickly how the demo version looks like. So you click Kokeile demoa and it will bring you here. Tervetuloa Otavan digitaaliseen tuotteeseen. Welcome to the Otava's digital product. Ohjeet löytyvät huutomerkkipainikkeen alta. The instructions can be found below the exclamation mark symbol. And you can click Avaa ohjeet, open the instructions, or lue myöhemmin, read later. Or you could just close it. And well, here you have also instructions on how you can purchase the product, tuotteen ostaminen. We are not interested in this right now because I just want to show you how you can activate your license key. But if you are thinking about whether this could be a good material for you, I highly recommend to check out this demo version first. When you see avoin, it means open, and it means that here you have some exercises that you can check and some material and texts also. Aloita tästä. You have some information about navigation, how to navigate on the platform. So this is not really part of the material itself, but instructions. We can go back. We can go to home where you see the house symbol. You can see kappale 1, chapter 1 has also the text avoin demottavaa. So it means that this is open and you can have a look at this. But then most of these chapters are closed, suljettu, closed. And you cannot see anything. You can see the topics that are covered in this chapter, but you cannot really see anything unless you've already purchased the product. You can see that this exercise book has in total 9 chapters. And it also has these speaking parts, puhutaan, which has more information about spoken Finnish as well, and spoken situations. Well, just to show you quickly, open part that you can check yourself too. You have audios that you can play.
Kappale 1. Hei ja tervetuloa.
You can see the text as well. Then you have also some videos that you can watch, some spoken language information, and some flashcards that you can use for practicing your new vocabulary. Some phrases.
Kiitos. Oli hyvää.
Are also in the form of flashcards here, where it says harjoitus. It's an exercise and you could check them out. And you have exercises about different topics. It could be about vocabulary, it could be about grammar, or even about pronunciation. So this is quite a versatile book. Well, after you have purchased this book, you will receive an email which says kiitos tilauksestasi, and it will also show the booking number. And when you scroll down, you have aktivointikoodi, which means activation code. And this is the very important one that you'll need. Also, pay attention that you have 14-day right of return if you have not activated your product. But once the product is activated, you cannot return it and request for a refund. So important to notice that too. Well, you can use this link that they have here, but I've actually added a more direct link below in the description that you can use. It brings you directly here to the student login. If you have not used any of these products before, you have to first register as a student, and you have to write your given name, family name, and your email, and then also invent a password. You have to accept the terms, and then you just register after that. Well, I have already created my account because I have used this before, so I'm going to click the login option, and I'm going to log in now as a student. And well, you have two options. I'm not familiar with the first one. I have not used it before, but you can use the email login, and then you just simply have to fill in your email address here and the password that you used when you created your account, and then you click login. You can choose that you stay signed in if you want. Oh, and now it's also asking me to accept the terms of use. So now we are in my dashboard. You could click redeem digital material here, and you have to copy paste the code that you received via email. So let's do that. And then you click redeem. Adding materials succeeded. All right. And now when we have redeemed the material, we can go to the materials tab in the upper corner. And now you can see that the book is added here. Suomen mestari 1, uudistettu digitehtävät, 12 kuukautta. And you can click it. You could use the instructions now if you want. Now you can see that we don't have anything closed anymore. You have access to all of the material. So I'm going to show you just an example of the first chapter, viikonpäivät. This is an exercise where you have to organize some vocabulary. This is about weekdays. Mikä viikonpäivä? What weekday? And it looks like we have to put them in order. Maanantai is Monday, so it's the first one. What comes after it? Tiistai, keskiviikko, torstai, perjantai, lauantai is already given, and sunnuntai, Sunday, is the last one. When you have completed this exercise, you just click vastaa, and you receive right answers after that. When you see that it's in green, then you know that you did it right. And now this is about writing them. Kirjoita viikonpäivä. Tänään on torstai. Today's Thursday. And then based on that statement, you have to fill in the other statements. Eilen oli. I'm just going to show you now what happens if you do it wrong. So the correct answer would be eilen oli keskiviikko. But if I say, for example, eilen oli perjantai. Oh, I have to answer all of them. I cannot check them before. So let's put other one as well. Huomenna on perjantai. That would be the correct one. Toissapäivänä oli tiistai. Ylihuomenna on lauantai. And now you can see that all of the other ones are green, but the first one that I put wrong came out red, and now you have to try again. Okay, so eilen oli let's say I write it now incorrectly, keskiviikko with one I when it should be with two. Again, it shows that it's a mistake. Now, if you don't know what went wrong, you can also click this icon. Näytä oikeat vastaukset, show the right answers. And now you can see it here. Now that you know how to activate your material, you are ready to get started. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hey! Bye!